15 most horrific natural disasters caught on camera. Natural disasters are a terrifying display of Mother Nature's power. From earthquakes and tsunamis to volcanic eruptions and tornadoes, these events can alter landscapes and lives in an instant. Today, we bring you a riveting compilation of 15 of the most horrific natural disasters ever caught on camera. Buckle up, this journey is not for the faint-hearted. Starting on our list, number 1. Number 2.
Water.
Next stop, number 3. Number 4. Number 5.
Look at it. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. La ilaha illallah.
We have number 6. Next, number 7. Number 8. Number 9.
오. 네, 리오 끝에.
Top 10 on our list. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14 on our list. Our final disaster, number 15. These chilling moments serve as stark reminders of the formidable power of nature. But even in the face of such adversity, the human spirit remains unbroken. Communities rally, rebuild, and emerge stronger, giving us hope in the darkest of times. That's it for our countdown of 15 of the most horrific natural disasters caught on camera. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more content that captures the extraordinary aspects of our world. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.